Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today's video is a little bit different. I'm revisiting a pondless waterfall on a service call because pump that wasn't switched on. So I thought I'd just take this opportunity just to show you the pondless water feature that we built a couple of years ago. Stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. So this video is about 2 or 3 years on, and look at the landscaping. It looks completely different, but you guys might remember this pondless water feature when we walk around this corner here. Now this is what we've recorded before. We've got a 4-foot high wet wall pondless water feature that disappears into the gravel, and look at these plants. Look at how this water feature has matured. I don't often come out to projects, but because we had a pump that was actually off, we got 4 pumps on this location, and there was a problem with one of the pond pumps, and I'll show you the pond in a second. But just look at this, it looks fantastic. So we've got a 4-foot high waterfall on the right hand side, then underneath the brook lime, the creeping plant, it's an 18-inch sort of like weeping wall, again just to add mystery. And then we've got the stream that runs right down the back. And the reason why I put that stream in was to tie it in with the traditional pond and waterfall that's behind it. As you can see, you might not have seen this one, or you may have seen it before on other videos, but you've got a lovely traditional pond here which has got a lovely golden orth. I'll stop in a second around the corner here. So we built this waterfall, I think 2014, and it's looking great. So we've got the main waterfall, as you can see. We've got the lovely fish. So we've got lots of lovely golden orth. This is a traditional fish pool with a lovely waterfall on it. Haven't done any maintenance. The homeowner's done a lot of maintenance on the pond this year. It's a traditional fish pool with a waterfall. Lots of plants, lots of vegetation. The filtration system is right out the back there, and that's where the pump was actually not working. So the waterfall was working, so the pond was fine. But just look at this, how inviting is this seat? I'm going to sit here now. What a lovely way to spend some time looking at the fish. Yeah, it's a traditional water feature, so there's a little bit more maintenance than one of the ecosystem ponds. And you can see the bare liner across the back there, and the pipe work, as you can probably see the pipe work there. But it is a traditional pool, and the clarity is the same as the ecosystem ponds, so you can see the fish no problem. I just prefer the ecosystem ponds because obviously you don't see any pipe work, you don't see any liner showing at the back there. This pond was actually built before we came in, so the first job that we ever did on this particular pond before the waterfall was constructed was we came in to clean it out. And because it's a traditional pond, it doesn't have any form of surface skimmer, so you do get a lot of debris building up on the surface, and subsequently you get a lot of detritus and stuff accumulating on the bottom. But isn't it fantastic? It looks great. We're in September and look at the plant growth, it looks fantastic. So I'm just going to take you back round to the pondless water feature now. The purple loosestrife is looking fantastic. Look at that bee. He's enjoying himself. Lovely Lysomachia. Not Lysomachia, Lythrum. Purple loosestrife. This is the filtration section. Lovely natural wetland plants. You can hear the pump in the background. So the water runs through here through the plants and then into the pond, and then obviously you've got the pumps at the bottom of the deepest section, and it's about 4 foot deep, this particular pond. And then what we did was we added this pondless water feature, and what a lovely accent this has been. So there we go. Hopefully you've enjoyed this project showcase, or a mature project showcase. You know, I don't often get a chance to come back and enjoy these water features. It's only really when we've got a service call or when we come out to do, you know, to check and service these water features. So put it in the comments section below if you like this type of thing. You know, you want me to show you more ponds and water features that we've built over the years, but mainly we produce the how-to videos. And if you want the how-to video on this particular one, have a look at the comments section below, and I'll see you down there. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.